Welcome to our guide on changing teams in Hero Wars. Today, we'll explore the nuances essential for creating a winning team. Understanding the importance of your team composition is crucial. Each hero brings unique skills and characteristics that can change the outcome of battles. To start, let's access the Team Management menu. You can find it easily in the game's main screen. Next, you'll want to carefully select which heroes to include in your new team configuration. Consider their strengths and synergies. Once you've selected your heroes, don't forget to save your new team configuration. This way, you won't lose your progress. It's crucial to test your new team in different battle scenarios. This will help you identify any weaknesses and areas for improvement. Utilize effective strategies to optimize your team's performance, such as aligning heroes with complementary abilities and roles. Be aware of common mistakes when changing teams, such as not balancing roles or neglecting synergy between heroes. In conclusion, managing your Hero Wars team effectively can lead to victorious battles. Follow these tips, and you'll see improvement in no time.